I almost canceled Digen AI after the first 10 minutes. Not because it was bad, because I didn't understand what it was trying to do. I was clicking around, expecting it to work like every other AI tool I tested this year. It didn't. And once I stopped comparing it to everything else, the whole experience started to make a lot more sense. Here's what stood out after actually spending time with it. Digen AI is one of those tools that tries to remove repetitive work instead of replacing your entire workflow. That's an important difference. A lot of AI software promises you'll never have to think again. This doesn't really work that way. You still make the decisions. The AI just helps you get to the finish line faster. The first thing I always look for with any AI tool is simple. Does it actually save me time after the excitement wears off? Because the first day is always fun. Every AI demo looks impressive. The real test is whether you're still opening the tool 2 weeks later. For me, that's where Digen AI started making a stronger case. Instead of spending forever staring at a blank screen, I could get a solid starting point quickly, make a few changes, and move on. That's the part I appreciated the most. It didn't replace my judgment. It reduced the boring part of the job. Now, is everything perfect? No. Every now and then, I'd want to rewrite parts of the output or make the results feel more like my own style. Honestly, I expected that. I've tested enough AI tools to know that the last 20% usually comes from the person using the software, not the software itself. So who should actually pay for Digen AI? If you're a business owner, freelancer, marketer, or content creator using AI almost every day, I can see the value. Saving even 30 or 40 minutes on every project adds up fast over a month. But if you're only opening an AI tool once in a while because you're curious, I'd probably tell you to stick with the free options first. A subscription only makes sense when it's helping you make money or save enough time that it pays for itself. So, is Digen AI worth your money? I'd say yes, but only if you have a real workflow for it. Buying AI software won't suddenly make you more productive. Using the right AI tool consistently might. Now I'm curious, what's the biggest reason you're looking at Digen AI? Creating content, growing your business, automating work, or just seeing what all the hype is about? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear what you're hoping this tool can actually solve.